Alrighty guys, so I am back following Tammy Stych case, so you don't have to. We got some more paperwork. Let's go. Alright, so this is coming from the state attorney in Florida. So this is pretty much just the state attorney going over the case, summing it up, and just letting them know what they would like the court to sentence her with, or how many years. So Tammy Stych, aka Sunny from WWE, WWF, she's also in the WWE Hall of Fame. I will not even get into that. So if you need me to just kind of briefly go over this, March 25th, 2022, Tammy Stych was caught yet again driving under the influence. But this time, when she was driving under the influence, she rear-ended the back of a man in his 70s. His name was Julian, and from this collision, he hit the car in front of him. So he was pretty much sandwiched between Tammy Stitch's car and the car ahead of him, and he passed away shortly after this accident happened. So when they did find Tammy after all of this, she was sitting on the road. Apparently, she couldn't even stand up by herself. She was slurring her words. She didn't even know she was in an accident when they were talking to her. She said she was at home reheating burritos. So apparently she was at home reheating burritos, had some vodka, and then from there she doesn't really remember what happened, and then got onto the road. And by the way, she had a suspended license at this time. They also go over all of her other prior arrests and charges from like 2005 to 2022, her last one where she unalived a man. So you can pause this to read, but it goes from like drug charges and alcohol, and also trying to buy illegal substances. She also has one on here for not complying with a protective order. So yeah, like I guess her ex-boyfriend had a protective order on her or something because she tried to, like, I don't know, assault him. Another charge is her putting a cop's safety at risk. So that, okay, Tammy. So it looks like the state attorney, she goes over all of the charges. So like DUI, manslaughter, but also she had a suspended license and all the other wreckage that she made this night. But I do want to say, Julian, he was in his 70s. He was a father. He was a grandfather. And it is such a tragedy. The state is asking for 26 years, which 26 years plus 6 months of rehab or alcohol therapy. But sorry, it's 6 months of probation. That's what it is right here. So, I mean, I don't remember how old Tammy is. She's like in her 50s at this point. She has not treated her body well. 26 years at this point isn't even enough for her. She just keeps making these same mistakes and never takes accountability. So here we go. 26 years. She should be sentenced, I think, in November. So I will keep you guys updated.